I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're facing a billing dispute on Lyft, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Log into your Lyft account. Go to the Lyft website and sign in using your credentials. This will give you access to your ride history and billing details. Step 2. Access your ride history. Once logged in, navigate to the ride history section. Here, you can find all your past rides and their corresponding charges. Step 3. Identify the disputed charge. Look through your ride history to find the specific charge that you believe is incorrect. Click on it to view more details. Step 4. Report the dispute. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Shrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Submit and wait for a response. After submitting your dispute, keep an eye on your email for a response from Lyft. They typically respond within a few business days. Remember, if you accidentally dispute a charge that was correct, it can complicate things, so double check your ride details before submitting. Good luck, and I hope this helps you resolve your billing issue smoothly.